I'm at Dollar Tree. Welcome back to my channel. Let me look around here. Oh, look at that. This Pluto. They got a miniature. Oh, Ryan kids in here, Ina. You see? Yes, and here's Mickey's. And this is Moped. This is a Power Polo. Oh, this is incredible. Ooh, also got Nemo in here. Oh, I know it's a Dory, but it's Nemo movies. That is cool. Oh, look at this cube. Look at that. So cute. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so cute. And let me see. This is Elmo. Cookie Monster. Oh, look at this one actually. Transformer limited edition. Look at that. This is cool. Let me look. Ooh, what is this? Olaf figure stamper. They got Olaf one and Elsa and oh, here's a Minnie Mouse. And here's a Toy Story as well. Only few left. They're getting a lot of toys now, huh? A lot of toys is empty, and they still got Jurassic Park toy. Ooh, they got few left in here. Keeping up for like this is the boy, so I am going to get the different. They have a oh, there we go. They had this one. That's cute one. Oh, they got rocket ship in here already. Oh, they're hard to do. Let's get that. Let's get that, sir. Okay. All right, and they got that one. The surprise figure. This is good.
I love this.
You love that?
Yeah.
All right, let's look around more stuff. Come on. Let's see what we can find in here. Here's some more spring decor. Spring decor. I just want to show you guys overall. This is so cute. I haven't seen that one. Ooh, look at that. You see unicorn? Oh, this is not unicorn, but yeah, this is we can put the plant. We can grow plant in here. Collect them all. Looks like ceramic in here. This one looking so cool. Oh. Shoo. All right. All right, here's Easter candy. It's really loud, so I will show you. This is only $1. That is so cool. Different color. And look at, here's a candy. Look at that. Ta-da! That is so cool. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 design. That is awesome. Ooh, look at that. Here's the Easter decor. Happy Easter. They still have a few oh, you can do DIY for this Happy Easter. Oh, look at that, Ina. Can you see? This is so cute. I like that. Oh, look at that on top bunny one.
And hello, Kitty.
That is so funny. Look at the Easter basket. You can do a lot of DIY for the Easter bunny. Look at that. This is awesome. Oh, look at this cute. Oh, look at this cute bunny face.
Aww. I'm Bunny.
The bunny looks so cute.
Aww.
Ooh, wow, look at here. Look at the here. Oh, this is so cute. So cute decoration.
I think I found more eggs. Did you find this? They had more eggs.
That's so cute. That is so cute. Wow, a lot of Easter at Dollar Tree. And when you think about it, it is only $1. Oh, this is 3 pieces connecting together. So 1, 2, 3. And look at on top. Look at that bunny. Oh, that's so cute. That's so adorable. They already made it, so you don't have to make that. And they got gel sticker in here. The other gel sticker. So excited. Oh, look at that. This is so pretty. Nice. I'm loving this. Happy Easter. Look at that. And look at here, Happy Easter. That is so adorable. Oh, bunny. So cute. Wow, look at this sign. They put the toes. This is Happy Easter. 2 different colors, but it's almost same design. Look at that. This is welcome. This is all bunny welcome. That is so cute. That is so cute. Wow. Look at that. I can't believe this is only jelly bean trail. Easter bunny, egg hunt, jelly bean trail. That is so cute. Here's one more. I think someone put it in right here. And look at here. Carrot Easter bunny. This is so cute. Look at all different basket, different color. You can do DIY. And look at that. This is so cute. Oh, I didn't see that yards steak cake. That's so cute. Wow, that is awesome. Easter stuff. Awesome deal. It's Happy Easter Sunday, April 12th. That is awesome. Awesome deal. Let me go look through here. Oh, here's some woods chopped in the small piece. And this is a shell. And here's some more flowers and spring decors. Those are cute. $3. Here's some gloves. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.